Owners dumping their Ford Rangers at just 5,000 miles. A $40,000 truck abandoned before its first oil change? Something's not adding up. We have analyzed hundreds of owner reports, dealership data, and uncovered 6 shocking reasons why the Ranger is becoming the most traded-in truck of 2025. From critical build quality concerns to real-world fuel economy figures that deviate substantially from EPA estimates, these findings present crucial information for current owners and prospective buyers alike. Number 6. Reliability concerns in the modern era. Reliability issues continue to impact the Ranger's reputation, with several key areas requiring attention. The electrical system, in particular, has emerged as a frequent source of concern. Modern driver assistance features, while impressive when functioning correctly, have shown inconsistent performance. Parking sensors and adaptive cruise control systems occasionally trigger false warnings or fail to respond appropriately, while the automatic emergency braking system has demonstrated occasional oversensitivity. Transmission behavior remains a significant topic of discussion among owners. The 10-speed automatic, while generally robust, exhibits occasional harsh shifting and hesitation, particularly during downshift operations. These characteristics become more pronounced in cold weather conditions or during aggressive driving maneuvers. Suspension components, particularly in vehicles frequently used off-road, have shown signs of premature wear. Bushings and shock absorbers, crucial for maintaining consistent handling and ride quality, sometimes require replacement earlier than expected. This situation becomes particularly noteworthy given the Ranger's positioning as a capable off-road vehicle, especially in its more adventurous trim levels. Number 5. Powertrain, performance and fuel economy. Reality, fuel efficiency has become increasingly crucial in the pickup truck segment, and the Ford Ranger's real-world performance presents some interesting contrast with its EPA ratings. The base 2.3-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, while impressive on paper with its EPA estimates of 21 miles per gallon city and 25 miles per gallon highway for rear-wheel drive models, tells only part of the story. Extensive real-world testing and owner reports indicate a more modest performance, with combined fuel economy typically falling between 20 to 21 miles per gallon for rear-wheel drive variants. The situation becomes more pronounced with four-wheel drive models, where the EPA ratings of 20 miles per gallon city and 22 miles per gallon highway often translate to real-world combined figures barely exceeding 19 miles per gallon. This discrepancy becomes particularly noticeable in challenging conditions, such as mountain driving, or when carrying heavy loads, where the turbocharger's frequent engagement significantly impacts fuel consumption. The Ranger Raptor, equipped with the powerful 3.0-liter twin turbocharged V6, producing 405 horsepower, presents an even more dramatic contrast. While its performance credentials are impressive, owners report average combined fuel economy figures around 14 miles per gallon, with some seeing even lower numbers during aggressive driving or off-road use. These figures, while not unexpected for a performance-oriented variant, nonetheless impact the vehicle's daily usability and operating costs. Number 4. Build quality concerns. Modern pickup trucks are expected to maintain the legendary durability of their predecessors, but recent manufacturing trends have introduced new challenges. The current generation Ford Ranger, while visually impressive and constructed with premium materials, has revealed concerning assembly issues that become apparent shortly after purchase. Interior build quality has become a particular point of contention among owners, with numerous reports of panel misalignment and inconsistent gap spacing throughout the cabin. Recent owner surveys have highlighted specific issues with interior assembly, including dashboard creaks that emerge within the first few thousand miles, ductor panel rattles that become more pronounced over time, and center console movements that create persistent noise during normal driving conditions. External build quality presents a mixed picture. While panel gaps and alignments generally meet industry standards, water sealing has emerged as a persistent concern, particularly around the rear cabin area. Multiple service bulletins have addressed water intrusion issues, with some owners reporting moisture accumulation in the rear footwells during heavy rain or after car washing. The problem appears more prevalent in vehicles regularly exposed to severe weather conditions, suggesting potential long-term durability concerns for owners in wetter climates. Number 3. Driving dynamics and daily usability. The Ford Ranger's driving dynamics present a complex mix of strengths and weaknesses that significantly impact the ownership experience. The steering system, in particular, has become a notable point of criticism. The electric power steering setup, while efficient from a fuel economy perspective, delivers minimal feedback and lacks the precision expected in a modern vehicle, especially one commanding a premium price point in the mid-size truck segment. However, the Ranger's suspension tuning deserves recognition for its sophisticated approach to ride quality. The truck employs a carefully calibrated suspension system that effectively manages the traditional compromise between loaded and unloaded driving conditions. The rear leaf spring setup, while traditional, incorporates progressive rate technology that minimizes the characteristic bounce commonly associated with empty bed driving. This refinement extends to the cabin noise levels, where enhanced insulation materials and improved aerodynamics contribute to a notably quiet interior environment, particularly during highway cruising. Number 2. Technology integration and user experience. The Ranger's infotainment system, centered around the Sync 4 interface, exemplifies both the advantages and challenges of modern automotive technology integration. The vertical screen orientation, available in either 10.1-inch or 12-inch configurations, has become a polarizing feature. While the larger display area offers impressive visual real estate, the layout's dedication of lower screen space to climate controls has proven problematic for many users, particularly those accustomed to traditional physical controls. The system's software performance presents its own set of challenges. While the Sync 4 interface offers advanced features, including wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, natural voice recognition, and over-the-air update capability, users report occasional stability issues. System crashes, though infrequent, tend to occur at inopportune moments, while Bluetooth connectivity problems persist despite multiple software updates. Number 1. Market competition. The mid-size truck segment has evolved significantly, offering increasingly compelling alternatives to the Ranger. The recently redesigned Chevrolet Colorado provides superior towing capacity, and the highly capable ZR2 variant for serious off-road enthusiasts. The Jeep Gladiator continues to attract buyers with its unique styling, exceptional off-road capabilities, and the segment's only convertible option. Japanese competitors maintain strong positions in the market. The Toyota Tacoma, particularly with its new hybrid powertrain option, offers proven reliability and strong resale value. The Nissan Frontier, following its recent redesign, provides a compelling blend of modern features and traditional truck capabilities. Both Japanese options maintain an advantage in configuration flexibility, offering both extended and crew cab options with various bed lengths. The Honda Ridgeline's unibody construction continues to set standards for comfort and refinement in daily driving, while Ford's own Maverick has established itself as the efficiency leader in the pickup segment. Perhaps most significantly, the diminishing price gap between the Ranger and the full-size F-150 often leads buyers to upgrade to the larger truck, which offers greater capability, space, and luxury features for a relatively modest premium. It's clear that Ford Ranger brings significant capabilities to the mid-size truck segment. It faces substantial challenges in today's highly competitive market. Prospective buyers must carefully weigh these factors against their specific needs and usage patterns. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.